Today, we are diving into the weirdest delicacy ever, cow brain taco. If you think this sounds more like a taco night at the Addams Family, I get it. But really, this is a delicate street food in Mexico. But before diving in, this brain needs to be boiled, chopped, and fried. And served up with a smoky homemade salsa roja, avocado, and cilantro. And in the end, I'll try this oddball of a taco. But enough talk, let's start this mind-blowing dish. This is a cow brain that I've been soaking for 24 hours in cold water to remove any blood. It should be completely white like this afterwards. The next step for us is to boil it. So we'll add water in a pot, bay leaves, peppercorn, half an onion, and some garlic, and get it to a boil. Meanwhile, we can start on our salsa roja that is made with fresh tomatoes. There's a ton of ways to do this, but in mine, we'll use an onion that we'll peel and half, a couple of garlic cloves, and add them to a hot pan with some chilies. We want to get some smoky flavor to our salsa roja. So if you have a barbecue, perfect timing. The water is ready, so lower your brain into the water. It needs about 10 to 15 minutes. Back to the salsa. Getting some nice color here. Don't worry that it looks burned, it's kind of the point. Grab your tomatoes, onion, garlic, and chili and put it in a blender. You can always add more and adjust the flavor later. Add a bit of water and blend. Looks perfect, and we got that smokiness that we were looking for. Finish it up by chopping some coriander, add it to the salsa, and give it some lime and salt. Easy peasy. So the brain looks done, get it out of the water, and get all of it. It's not a big brainer. Transfer it to a board after cooling a bit, and chop it up. The texture at this point is very creamy, so don't squash too much around with it. And if you made it this far and need to look away for a second, please consider to hit that subscribe button. Time to fry the brain, so chop up an onion, add oil to a pan, and in with the onions. Cook until it softens. Then add the chopped brain and let it fry. At this point, it has a very potent smell. Next up, we'll add a spoon of mustard, some soy sauce, and Worcestershire sauce. You know, the sauce no one in the world can pronounce the name of. We'll just call it English sauce. A bit of garlic powder, and some pepper. No need to add more salt, the soy and English sauce should have done the trick. Almost done, so toast some corn tortillas on a hot pan and get them nicely tucked in until we need them. Grab an avocado and remove the pit. Cut it up. You can do it like this and save on the dishes. And add lime. You got this. So let's put ourselves a taco together. Get a plate and the brain. Wake up the tortillas and add the brain to it. How much do you want? Get the salsa and add it on top. A bit of fresh avocado and finish with cilantro. Squeeze some lime over and let's have a taste. It does really look good. Okay, surely this isn't for everyone, but hey, life is about trying new things. Until next time, keep eating, keep laughing, and keep exploring the wonderful world of foods.